Take that. Play rough. What? What was that move? What did he just do? None of these are very effective. Close combat. Beat him up. Oh, not again. What the fuck is he doing? What is that?
If I miss the stomping tantrums, I'm fucked as well. Decent damage. They got the flinch off. Ain't no way they got the flinch off, dude. Oh no, they're doing much more damage. No way, they got a double flinch. Dude. Oh, I had this one. I had it one. No way, dude. They it. Oh my. Fuck! Damn it!
That jerk forgot our anniversary!
Keep her away from me!
Okay, I'm cool.
If I go first and get a wish up... Fucking bitch ass dumbass game. Fuck this game. Stupid ass fucking game. No one even fucking likes this fucking dumbass game, by the way. And then I'm gonna take extra damage to the motherfucking spikes. Fucking dumbass fucking stupid ass game. Man, fuck this game. Man, fuck this game. Reset that. Best 2 out of 3. Best 2 out of 3. I didn't have the right Pokemon on. I didn't get to pick the Pokemon I wanted to pick. Best 2 out of 3. Let's do best 2 out of 3. Do some. Best 2 out of 3. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no!
Ha 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 la 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 lolo puny dragon, now it's my turn.
Oh, hell no! Oh, hell no! Whoa! No. Wait. I see. Anyways. Good talk, man.
Getting Lopunny, Gardevoir, and Vaporeon? Yo, Pokemon, who the fuck do you think I am? What is this gooner-ass lineup?
The game apparently has less Pokemon than Pokemon Stadium 2. No 6v6 battles. You either have 3v3 with singles, 4v4 with doubles. Performance issues even on Switch too. The menus are slow and clunky. Always online required, no local wireless battles. A lot of competitive items apparently were removed. Rental teams becoming completely useless.
This is absolutely inexcusable. What the actual hell, Game Freak? What the actual hell? No choice band, no choice specs, no assault vest, no safety goggles, no life orb. Just these items right here and all the mega stones. What the actual fuck?
Taunt. Ah, they saw the entrainment coming. I still hit the hodrill anyway! Never punished! Never punished!
oh, Stanley! Oh, Timber!
Man, fuck this game. I'm playing Angry Bird.
Oh, look, I have died confused.
Bro, this monkey is ugly, dude. Why does he look like a penis? Why does this monkey look like a penis, dude?
Not even 60 FPS? Nope. Not 60 FPS. Only 180 Pokemon in the game. Items are missing. Moves are missing. There's no 6v6 custom battles. It's like, what are we even doing?
Okay. That's fine. Wait, what? Wait, Chad, did I not click Earth Power into Aggron? Bro, I swear I clicked locked in time.
I'm actually mad you missed that because we about to...
Are you kidding me?
There's no way, yo.
So Mega Gamora actually has adapted to it. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's just nice. Oh my fuck.